Today we will be taking a look at the overall US market. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, this is Super Swing Trader. I am a supply and demand trader using price action to trade stocks and forex. With that being said, let's start with the analysis. On this chart, this is the S&P 500 ETF, the top 500 US companies in the United States. As always, we will take a look at the monthly chart first. So monthly chart, we're overall bullish, with this month going to close by the end of next week. 2 days after the next week, it has about 7 or 9 more days left before this candle closes, but it looks pretty bullish. Strong engulfing candle over this candle. Overall very bullish, so we're expecting price to go up higher. The weekly, we have this level of demand and control. So prices looks like it may want to pull back a little bit to this zone because we have 2 months of bearish candle. So whenever we see this, we could see a potential pullback down back to this zone. But overall, long term, we're still very bullish on this market. The daily, we have this level of demand that price action is not very good, but when it dropped down here, it worked for a little bit. This setup would not be tradable for me, so I would not trade this, but regardless, this is what we are seeing, and this is the power of supply and demand trading. So this zone has been tested once and twice now, so all the buyers that wanted to get in has been filled. So we may see price breach this area and go back down here. So price may breach this area, which is the one on the daily, and go back down here where more buyers will be available. But then again, this has been tested too. So everything's been tested until you get down here. But the reason why we are saying that price in this market will be going higher is because if we look at the other markets like the Nasdaq composite, we see that price has been rallying. So ever since it broke its all-time high, it's rallied for 3 months. Strong rally for 3 months. So we are expecting the other markets to do the same. The Qs, we have supply zone and control. So the Qs, we are expecting price to go lower, but then again, this supply zone has been used up too. So it could go higher or it could go lower. We're expecting it to go lower just because there's been such a strong move to the upside that we're looking for a retracement back to the mean. But regardless, supply zone is in control, so we don't want to go buy right now. It's too expensive, and we want to see a break out of this zone before we go long. Same thing on the daily. Price has been at all-time highs. The supply zone reached it once and twice, and since then it has formed this demand zone down here. So if price wants to get down here, this is a pretty good opportunity to buy. Just remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, professional trader, hedge fund manager, nothing crazy like that, so please make your own decisions. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial. So Dow Jones, we see that price has break this supply zone. It worked when price got here back in August 2020. It worked for a little bit, came back up, worked for a little bit. So this zone has been taken out. It's been taken out, and all the sellers that want to sell at this point got out already. So we are going to be bullish on this stock, on this ETF. Again, we're expecting price to go up much higher because of what we've seen with the other indices. The Dow, this is what we have. We have a demand zone down here and another demand zone right here, that if price retraces down to here, this is a pretty good opportunity to go long. So that is it for these analyses. We are very bullish on the US market and may see a potential pullback because of these weekly candles being bearish, but irregardless, long term or midterm, we are expecting bullish candles forming on these charts. And this is it for the analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on that bell so you get notified on new videos I release in the future. I am planning to make a nightly stock scanning video every day of what I anticipate in the market, scanning for new stocks that may have potential good setup for a swing trade. So please keep out a lookout for that. I made one on Friday. I'll link the video in the description and in the pinned comment and in one of these cards. So please take a look out for that. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. As always, I want you to transform your charts into profits and build a life you love. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.